Hi, I'm Steve, and you found my YouTube channel, Clean Carnivore. I'm making a video today in response to a comment that I got on a video that had been made previously. The comment was, how can you afford the carnivore diet since steaks, which are very preferable, cost $25 a piece? Well, that's not quite accurate. I know that you can pay that much for a steak in some places, but not necessarily out of a grocery store. So I'm making this video to say that carnivore is and can be affordable. I normally buy rolls, either New York steak or ribeye rolls from my local Costco, usually the business Costco. I bring those home. They're usually somewhere around $65 these days, and they cut up into 10, 11, 12 steaks. And for that price, that's about $6 a steak, a little bit more than $6 a steak. So definitely less than $25 per steak. But you don't have to eat steak. Obviously, beef and lamb and ruminant animals are the choice of most carnivores, but it's not essential to have full cuts of meat. I've decided that for the month of January, World Carnivore Month, I'm going to do a challenge for myself, not for anyone else, but a challenge for myself. And what I did is I went and bought 30 pounds of ground beef from Costco, 30 pounds, 31 days. I figure it's going to last me. I've got some ground beef already in the freezer. So I'm going to see if I can't go for a full month eating nothing but ground beef, salt, and water, of course. So kind of a lion diet, if you will. There won't be any bacon, there won't be any eggs. It's just going to be me and meat and water, a little bit of salt added. So if you like the content that you see here and want to know more and how the challenge is going, then by all means come back. If you like the content, like and subscribe. Hope to make more videos just like this one. Can't wait to see you again.